Hello, Namaste everyone. This is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with today's talk. And today we will talk on very important topic, that is nutrition and health. As you know that the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi started one campaign that is known as Nutrition and Nation campaign. Now this campaign is going on and this September month will be celebrated as Nutrition Month. So as a teacher, we should be aware about the nutrition, that what is nutrition and why is it best beneficial for our health. As you know that physical, mental, social well-being of an individual is known as health. If we are physically, mentally and socially fit, then we can say that we have the good health or we are well-being. So with the help of the nutrition, we can maintain our health. For this, what should we have? We should have the proper knowledge of the nutrition. Yes, dear colleagues, we should have the proper knowledge of the nutrition. That what is nutrition and which mode of nutrition we have. So according to the science, we have the holozoic mode of nutrition. Means the food that we take that is completely digested by our body. And what is nutrition? Nutrition means the nourishment that we take in the form of different nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. If all these nutrients we take in balanced amount, then we can protect ourselves from the 95% of chronic diseases. There are 95% chronic diseases due to their kidney, we can say, due to their kidneys, we can say. Some students say that I don't take milk or I don't take fruits, I don't take vegetable. This type of sentences they speak in front of their parents. So if we aware them about the nutrition, then they will take the proper nutrition. Now, what are the nutrition or what are the nutrition possess? Nutrition possess the nutrients in it. And all the nutrients, as I have told you, proteins makes our muscles. Fats give us extra energy. And with the extra energy, fat also providing us one particular vitamin that is known as vitamin E. In nowadays, people are saying that you should take omega-3 fatty acid to protect yourself from the COVID-19. So from where we take that omega-3 fatty acid? We can take that omega-3 fatty acid by unrefined oils, by cow ghee, and with this we can also take that omega-3 from the nuts or the beans. And if we will take that nutrient, omega-3 fatty acid, then we can protect ourselves from the COVID-19. That system is known as immunization system, and that system is maintained by the different organs. Like the first organ that is found in our brain, and it is known as pineal gland. Pineal gland makes our immunity system strong, and with this there is also one gland is found in our chest cavity near our lungs and heart, and that gland is known as thymus gland. And thymus gland secretes one hormone that is known as thymosin. And thymosin hormone also make our immunity system. With this, there is WBC and the lymph are found in our body, and those WBC and lymph also protects us from the pathogens or disease causing microbes. Now, from where we can increase these all system or these all organs, we can increase our all these organs by taking balanced diet. especially the protein containing diet, because vitamin B that we take, that vitamin B is good for our protein, means it is good for our protein, and with this it is also protects us, our body, from the different diseases, especially the diseases that are due to the unbalancing of the protein diet. So we should take the vitamin B with the help of protein diet. Like this, there are the spices we take. We should add the spices in our food, especially the turmeric. Turmeric is also work as antibiotics, and it also protects our body from the pathogens. I want to tell you one incident that was happened with my brother that was doing research about the cancer. So there is one scientist came from Germany, and he told my brother that why did in your country there are the less patients of cancer. Then my brother told that I didn't know, that it is due to your food habits. Means you have the turmeric in your all the vegetables. That's why in your country there are the less patient of cancer. If we compare it with our country, means if we compare it from the Germany. So it is our culture that is protecting us from the COVID-19, and it is only due to the COVID-19, this disease COVID-19 now changed into common flu. Why? It is due to only and only due to our food habit, from which our immunization system become strong. That's why I can say, कुछ बात तो नहीं मिटती नहीं हंसती हमारी, कुछ बात तो है जो मिटती नहीं हंसती हमारी, सदियों रहा दुश्मन दौरे जहां हमारा. Means it is only and only our culture and our food habits that is protecting us from the different diseases. So in the last, I will say you that you should follow the balanced nutrition in your daily life, and you should take it in balanced amount. Thank you very much and have a nice day.